In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Jira account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Jira is an excellent tool for project management, especially if you're into agile development, and I'm excited to guide you through the setup process. First things first, let's get started by visiting the official Jira website. So open your web browser and enter Jira into the search bar. The top result should lead you to Atlassian's Jira software page. You'll want to make sure you're on the official site, which is www.atlassian.com/software/Jira. Go ahead and click that link. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Get It Free. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Click on that button. After you do, you'll be prompted to either enter your email address or choose a sign-in option that works for you. Jira makes it really easy by allowing you to sign up using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even Slack. Choose the method that you prefer to create your account. Next, you're going to claim your site URL. This is where you get to be a little creative. Create a unique name for your project site workspace. This name will be part of your custom web address, which will look something like yourchosenname.atlassian.net. Once you've decided on a name that represents your project or team, go ahead and click Continue. Now let's talk about your work profile. Jira wants to understand what type of work you do, so you will see options like design, software development, marketing, and more. Choose the option that best represents your work. After that, you'll be prompted to select a template layout. They offer options like Kanban or Scrum, which are perfect for agile project management. Take a moment to think about your workflow and select the template that fits you best. Once you have your work profile set up, it's time to create your first project. You'll need to give your project a name that reflects its purpose. Think about what you'll be tracking, whether it's tasks, bugs, or features. Once you've named your project, you'll be asked to select the types of tasks you want to monitor. After you've made your selections, simply click Finish or Get Started. Congratulations! You should now see your new free Jira dashboard. This is where the fun begins. From here, you can start adding issues, organizing your tasks, and collaborating with your team. It's a vast platform with many features, so take some time to explore it and make it your own. If you encounter any challenges along the way, don't hesitate to check out the vast amount of documentation available on the Atlassian website or search for tutorials that can help you navigate specific features. And that wraps it up for today's video on how to create a free Jira account. I hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Happy project managing!